ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-10 रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय सत्वं भवति भारत। पदच्छेदे रजः तमः च अभिभूय सत्वं भवति भारत। रजस्सत्वं तमश्चैव तमस्सत्वं रजस्तथा। पदच्छेदे रजः सत्वं तमः च एव तमः सत्वं रजः तथा। वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः, कर्तृपदीयः, कर्मपदीयः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः। भारत रजः तमः च अभिभूय सत्वं भवति। सत्वं तमः च एव अभिभूय रजः भवति। सत्वं रजः तथा अभिभूय तमः भवति। अभिभूय is implicit in 2a and 3a. Also, bhavati is implicit in 2b and 3b. And abhibhuya being lebantam, it has those common saman kartrupada padam. Satvam in 1a and 1b, rajaha in 2a and 2b, tamaha in 3a and 3b. अन्वेषः शब्दाभ्यास। भारत रजः तमः च अभिभूय सत्वं भवति। रजः रजस् नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं। रजस् नॉइटर रंज असुन नलोपः। I have copy pasted it from what we have been discussing in the previous shloka also. So rajas is supposed to be the cause of the great activity seen in creatures. It predominates in men, as sattva predominates in gods and tamas in demons. Same quotation has been given from Kumar Sambhava mostly. Antargatam apastam me rajasopi param tamah. Tamaha likewise. Darkness or ignorance as one of the three qualities or constituents of everything in nature. The other two being sattva and rajas. Sattvam and rajas. Cha avyayam and abhibhuya. Abhibhu धातोः ल्यबन्तम्। अभिभू प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी। overcome, subdue, conquer, vanquish, of persons or things, prevail over, predominate, defeat, hence excel, surpass, abhibhavat. Sattvam, sattva, napuskalingam prathama ekvachanam. Sat plus tva. The characteristics of being sat, good, chastity. भवति भू धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं। भू सत्तायां, टू एग्जिस्ट, टू बिकम, टू बी, टू हैपन, वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट। सत्वं तमः च एव अभिभूय रजः भवति। सत्वं सत्व नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं। सत् प्लस त्व, द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ बीइंग सत्, गुड, चेस्टिटी। तमः तमस् नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं। तथा सत्वं रजः अभिभूय तमः भवति। तथा अव्ययं लाइकवाइज। सत्वं सेम थिंग, नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं, कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ बीइंग सत्, गुड क्वालिटी। रजः, here rajah is napuskalingam dvitiya ekvachanam and tamah is napuskalingam prathama ekvachanam. I have explained that a little bit below. Anvayartha, Bharata, Ocean of the Bharata dynasty. Rajah tamah cha abhibhuya sattvam bhavati. Purity prevails when passion and ignorance are overcome. Sattvam tamah cha eva abhibhuya rajah bhavati. Passion prevails when purity and ignorance are overcome. Tatha sattvam rajaha abhibhuya tamaha bhavati, and ignorance prevails when it overcomes purity and passion. Chanda Vishleshana. Rajastamaschaabhibhuya ashtrakshani. Schabhibhu etesham matraha dve एका द्वे सत्वं भवति भारत अष्टक्षाणि तिभार एतेषां मात्रः एका द्वे एका रजस्सत्वं तमश्चैव अष्टक्षाणि तमश्चै एतेषां मात्रः एका द्वे द्वे तमस्सत्वं रजस्तथा अष्टक्षाणि रजस्त एतेषां मात्रः एका द्वे एका प्रथमे पादे अपवादः अन्यथा अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये दशमे श्लोके अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. In the three sentences, Sattvam, Rajah and Tamaha have neuter gender. They are subject words in Prathama Vibhakti one by one. When the other two words are object words in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Their forms are the same whether in Prathama Vibhakti or in Dvitiya Vibhakti. The basic fact delineated in this shloka is that all three Sattvam, Rajah, Tama are present in almost everyone. In Anvayartha, overall meaning, the verb bhavati has been translated as prevails. So, Rajaha Tamaha cha vibhuya Sattvam bhavati. Purity or chastity prevails when passion and ignorance are overcome. But the point to be deliberated is, are passion and ignorance to be overcome by purity? Or chastity, or are they to be overcome by wanton effort? Obviously, passion and ignorance are to be overcome wantonly. The implicit message is to do that wanton effort, so that neither sattvam abhibhuya rajaha bhavati, passion would not prevail by overcoming purity, nor sattvam abhibhuya tamaha bhavati, ignorance would prevail, nor ignorance would prevail by overcoming purity. Sattvam, purity, chastity is to be ensured and safeguarded. Shubhamastu. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.